Hello Pisces, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Pisces, this is your reading for the month of October 2021 and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay, Pisces, what I'm going to do in this reading is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent the energy of the person you are thinking about, you are dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Okay, so let's get started now. So we have Temperance for you, then we have a King of Cups and we have a Queen of Wands. For your person, we have the Sun, then we have Six of Wands, and we have Ace of Pentacles. Mutual energy is Ace of Cups and Ten of Wands. Okay, so Pisces, you may be dealing with a Leo, you may be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag. Yes, Sagittarius is again standing out. Fire sign is standing out. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs, okay? So, Temperance, King of Cups and Queen of Wands. Pisces, what I feel is that you're trying to balance the yin and yang energy inside you. You're trying to balance the feminine and the masculine energy inside you. You're trying to balance the passion and the love, okay? The fire and water, air and earth, everything you're trying to balance inside you, okay? We have Temperance, which resonate, which means trying to balance something, okay? And you're being helped to balance out your life. I also feel with that counterparts, a king and a queen, I also feel that there is a strong presence of feminine energy. There is also presence of masculine energy, but it is not as strongly represented as feminine energy is represented inside you, okay? And you're trying to balance it out. You're trying to balance it out inside you, okay? You are definitely working on yourself. What I see, Pisces, is that you're becoming more and more serious about yourself, okay? Serious about taking care of yourself, serious about what you can do and achieve in this life, serious about your health, serious about your exercise, serious about your meditation, your spiritual awakening. I feel that some of you Pisces, you are leaving your existing career, a main streamline career, and you're choosing a different career. You're more inclined towards occult, you're more inclined towards helping out other people, you're more inclined towards doing things for others. You probably want to become an influencer, or you want to get into occult field, a tarot card reader, a psychic, a healer, a Reiki master, right? So there is something that you're doing which is sort of contributing towards your the balance that you want to achieve, okay? Having said so, Pisces, you may be doing this consciously, you may be doing this subconsciously, okay? But you're being guided to do that, you're being pushed to do that, okay? I would suggest that go and do meditation. Meditation is going to help you a lot, okay? Someone is watching you, and I don't feel that this is a past person. This is a new person, Pisces, but you don't know that, okay? You don't know who is this person. Let me show you the cards. Look at this Queen of Wands looking in that direction, and this King of Cups looking at the Queen of Wands. She doesn't know this king is looking at her, okay? Someone has noticed you, someone is interested in you, but you are your focus is somewhere else. You are busy doing a lot of things in your life. Probably I'm also feeling that you're juggling between different responsibilities, okay? Life is putting you through a lot of things, okay? Life is like really challenging you right now. Maybe you're facing a lot of challenging situations, but what I also see that you are a king or a queen right now. You're embodying the energy of a king or a queen, and when you embodying that energy, you are one of the best managers of your own life. You can manage everything. Okay, so what I feel is that even if there are a lot of challenges that are coming your way, you are able to manage those challenges. Okay, you're managing, you're getting things done from people, you're doing it on your own. Okay, you're delegating the task, you're executing the responsibilities, you're becoming more self-disciplined. Okay, you're becoming very particular about certain things in your life. Okay, there are a lot of changes that are coming, and these changes are coming because you are trying to uplift yourself. You're making some conscious efforts towards your own growth. Okay, and what I feel is you're being protected. Okay, Pisces. You're being protected. Damn, you're protected, Pisces. Like, if anyone if anyone tries to mess around with you, your ancestors are like, no, don't even dare to think about doing that to my Pisces. Okay, your spirit guides are like fiercely trying to protect you. Your ancestors are watching you like a hawk. Okay, they're watching people around you like a hawk. They're watching people who want to do something wrong to you like a hawk. Okay, so there is a specific reason why you are rising up to this level of king or a queen. Okay, why you are a spiritual king or a queen right now. The spiritual world wants you to do something about it. Think about it, Pisces. Why you are rising up, why you are experiencing growth within yourself, why you are able to take the certain risk in your life which you were absolutely not able to do beforehand. Okay, why certain things are becoming possible right now, why there is a shift. If at all there is a shift in the planetary condition within your horoscope, then what does that signify? Think about it, think through. Okay, then we have is Ace of Pentacles, we have is Six of Wands, and we have is the Sun for you. Okay, so this is the energy of your person. Your person, they want to come towards you. Okay, although I also see with that Ace of Pentacles, there is going to be a new person who is going to enter in your life, and it's like they just walk into your life, they win you, and they take you. It's going to be that kind of a situation. Okay, they literally walk in your life to make you theirs. Okay, so this person is absolutely a very positive person, a person with full of energy. Sometimes you will feel that you are not able to catch up with their energy. Okay, Ace of Pentacles, I feel that this is going to be once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay, this is of course a new person. With that Ace of Cups, I'm also feeling a new person. Ace of Cups in the mutual energy. Okay, this is a new person coming your way. This person is someone who stays far away from you, and your energies will match, and your energies will complement a lot. Okay, this person has a lot of positivity inside them. You have a lot of positivity inside you. The moment both of you see one another, both of you will feel that energetic pull. Both of you will feel that magnetic pull. Okay, so what I feel is that this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Ace of Cups and Ten of Wands as a mutual energy. You need to drop someone or something before you can have this new beginning with someone new. Okay, we have Ten of Wands and we have Ace of Cups. Okay, so you can have this new beginning. A new beginning with someone is definitely about to happen, but before that you need to drop some sort of unnecessary burden that you're carrying within you. Okay, all right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe and comment on below. Till then, bye bye, Pisces.